Hey, what's going on, guys? Okay, in today's vid I'm going to be reliving my childhood. I got this old pedal car here I've been wanting to restore. The only difference though, instead of this one being powered by my feet, we're going to throw a gas engine in it. Yeah! So I picked up most of the parts I needed from bmicarts.com. You can find a link to their website in the description. Just kind of the various things I needed. So we got like some slick tires, got some rims, they're going to get repainted, axles, sprockets, hubs, and whatnot. What do we got here? This is another brake hub, another mounting, some collars, bearings. We've got a nice clutch system inside here. Bearing holders, so on, nuts, bolts, and a brake. This should at least get most of the stuff together. I am going to have to build a frame from scratch, which is cool, and then the steering system, we'll figure all that out as we go. But the first thing I need to do is get started and build the frame so we can at least get some sort of way to get the engine and everything mounted in, and we'll go from there. So, alright, so let's get started on the frame. So I got a majority of the frame here done, just kind of mocked up. Everything's just tacked into place. I'm going to drop the motor in. Now I tried to put the body on top that was down here, but I didn't have a lot of room, so I think I'm going to take off the muffler here because I don't plan on using it anyways. And then I'll probably take off the gas tank too. That way I got more room, because I don't know if I'm going to use that or if I'm going to make a new one. I really don't need this much gas in it, so I'll probably make a smaller tank. I don't know yet, we'll figure it out. So let's take this muffler off and then we'll throw the body on top real quick and kind of get an idea of where we're going to mark everything up so we can put the mounting bracket for the motor. Check this out, it's actually starting to look like something. So we got kind of the wheels mocked up, engine is. Now I just got everything tacked into place, as you can see, just little tacks. I'm not going to do any of the finish welding until we actually make sure everything fits. Let's see, alright, so we'll probably throw the body on top. I just want to take out, see what it looks like real quick. Motor is mocked into place, everything's lined up for the most part. So the next thing is, I'm going to go ahead and assemble the axle here, and we're going to slide it in and probably put the rims on the tires. And I can start lining all that stuff to see how much room we actually have. I think that's it for now. And then everything after that is just a matter of putting the body on, making sure it gets mounted. And yeah, probably start hooking up all the lines and stuff. So we still got a long ways to go, but let's throw the body on real quick just because I'm kind of curious to see what it looks like. Man, check this out. That'd be pretty cool. See underneath, run the chain, sprocket system, everything. I'm probably going to do a little cutout in the wheels here. Looks like we got to move the body back a little bit. I don't want the wheels back here, so I kind of line it up a little bit, see if we can get it to move. Yeah, looking better. It's starting to fall over. So I am going to lift it up a little bit, because I may actually use this tank. I think I might just cut a hole in the top up here, because I kind of want to throw maybe something looks like a blower, little mock it up, or maybe do like the Offenhauer type thing, where it has like the you know what I'm talking about, air cleaners or whatever. So, okay, let's go to the axle next, and we will go from there. I just want to point out, I'm sure you noticed it, but I'm very much aware at the size of the axle on this, the Ori will be getting cut down. As you can see, it's really long. It's not going to be the finished size, it's just we're going to use it for mock-up. I'm going to end up cutting it to the actual length it needs to be, and then we will rethread the ends here to fit what we need. But it was cheaper to buy a massive long one than it was to actually buy one that was cut down and have it machined. So I've got all the tooling and the stuff to do it over here, so why not just do it myself? Okay, I gotta put these rims into these tires here before I finish mocking everything up. So let's try and get these in. Throw the body on real quick. So I kind of want to see what it looks like with the wheels. Ooh, buddy. Alright, it's looking pretty good. Ooh, nice wide stance. I love it. Alright, that's a pretty good mock-up so far, so might as well start working on body mounts probably after this, a little bit of steering. Now, I do still got to get a couple of two tires for the front end. I haven't picked that up yet because I haven't found a style that I like, so I may wait on the steering. I don't know, we'll see, but either way, it should be pretty simple for whatever I do. Okay, move on to the next step. gonna buy some steering spindles, but I got enough material here, so I'm just gonna make these two. I'm gonna use this square tubing here. We're gonna cut it down to size, make a couple sections, and we'll just have to cut out this section here, and then we'll make the spindles for the steering that we're going to weld on the front up here, so we can actually work the steering. So let's cut this off. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. That'll be it for this episode for the gas or pedal car. Please hit the like button and make sure you hit the subscribe so you don't miss out on the next episode where we work on the steering, the brakes, a little bit of paint work. I don't know, we'll figure it out as we go, pretty much like usual. So, alright, thanks for watching guys. See you next time.